Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best pastry scraper is probably one of the most underrated tools in any baker's arsenal. From effortlessly scraping dough off your countertop to dividing it with precision, this simple tool can revolutionize your baking experience. Today, we're diving deep into the world of pastry scrapers, exploring their various features, and helping you find the perfect one to elevate your culinary creations. Get ready to say goodbye to sticky messes and hello to baking bliss. Number 5. Spring Chef Dough Blender, Professional Pastry Cutter. This dough blender is a solid tool for cutting cold butter into flour or sugar. It's perfect for making fresh, homemade baked goods. The sturdy and durable metal blades are twice as thick as others. Achieve better texture and taste from all of your baked goods. This tool helps you make flakier and fluffier biscuits, pie crust, pizza dough, scones, and pastries. It works quickly to get uniform pieces of butter mixed in flour. The dough blender cuts through cold butter beautifully, making it a must-have tool for bakers. It is much more effective and easier to use than a fork or potato masher. You will get better results. Prevent sore and tired hands and wrists with the pressure-absorbing handle. The thick rubber is much safer than plastic. It is also easier to use for those with arthritis. You can chop fruit and soft vegetables or nuts. It can also mash up baby food, make salsa, guacamole, chopped eggs for egg salad, muffin topping and much more. It's also dishwasher safe. What we like? This dough blender features heavy-duty blades, perfect for effortlessly cutting through cold butter. It also has a comfortable, pressure-absorbing handle. If you're looking for a tool that makes creating flaky pastries a breeze and can handle more than just butter, you should consider this one. What people say. The handle feels sturdy and comfortable, and the blades cut through cold butter super easily. It makes dough come together faster without melting the butter in your hands. This baby works great. Very sturdy and easy on the hands. Number 4. OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Scraper and Chopper. This stainless steel tool is a versatile kitchen essential. It simplifies portioning dough, cutting dough, and prepping vegetables. It's a great addition to any kitchen. Built-in markings on the blade allow for precise portioning and even cuts. You can measure accurately without any guesswork. This feature makes it easy to get consistent results. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. It gives you control and comfort during food preparation. This design makes quick prep tasks easier. The blade height keeps your hands away from the food. This design provides better leverage and control while portioning dough or scraping surfaces. It ensures safe and efficient use. This durable stainless steel tool is dishwasher safe. It's easy to clean and built to last. It is a perfect companion for your pizza cutter and bread knife. What we like? This scraper and chopper offers precise measurement markings, ensuring consistent results every time. It also features a comfortable, non-slip grip for better control. If you like the convenience of portioning dough and chopping vegetables with ease, you should consider this. What people say. Nice and sturdy with a ruler built into the blade. Quality construction, solid and easy to use. Good grip for large hands. Strong edge. Works well for scraping the work surface, maneuvering dough, and cutting dough as well. Even chops veggies, although it's not made with a sharp edge. Selected because it looks sturdy and has the measurements on the metal, which is great in baking. Number 3. Spring Chef Dough Blender and Pastry Cutter. This set includes a dough blender and a bench scraper. They work together to help you achieve better baking results. This perfect pair helps you work with dough with minimal handling. Both products are made with commercial-grade stainless steel that won't rust. The dough blender's blades are thicker than the competition, and the scraper blade cuts through dough easily. Get better texture and taste from all your baked goods. The dough blender quickly mixes butter into flour, creating a better end product. The bench scraper saves time with less sticking and engraved measurement markings. Use the dough blender to chop fruits, vegetables, or nuts. You can also mash baby food, make salsa, or guacamole. The scraper can cut brownies, dough for pastries, and more. It can also scoop up ingredients and clean counters. Built to last and dishwasher safe. The comfortable handles absorb pressure, reducing hand and wrist fatigue. This makes it easy to use for extended periods. What we like? This set includes both a dough blender and a bench scraper, offering a complete solution for your baking needs. It delivers impressive results, creating flakier and fluffier baked goods. If you are looking for a comprehensive set that simplifies dough preparation and offers versatility, you should consider this. What people say. It's made of thick steel so won't bend, break, or rust over time. The blender just cuts right through the dough to mix well for the perfect crust. It is sturdy, sharp, enough for cutting tough veggies, and is well constructed. The joint between the handle and the metal doesn't have any significant gap. I use this for cleaning off my counter after having dough stick to it. Number 2. Spring Chef Dough Bench Scraper. This pastry knife isn't just for dough. It's perfect for chopping fruits and veggies, or cutting pastries. It's a handy tool for various kitchen tasks. The stainless steel blade is firm and sharp. It effortlessly cuts through dough and other ingredients. Plus, it's also dishwasher safe. This bench scraper makes handling sticky dough easier and faster. It also has measurement markings for precise cutting. It's a real-time saver in the kitchen. This food scraper prevents overhandling of dough. It helps to divide dough and clean your work surface. It makes baking so much easier. Get every last bit of batter with the included bowl scraper. It also has a measurement conversion chart. This set is designed to make your baking experience better. What we like. This bench scraper saves you time with its efficient design, making handling sticky dough easier. It also includes handy measurement markings for precise cutting. If you have a passion for baking and want to streamline your process, you should consider this. What people say. The scraper is the perfect size for my needs. It is easy to clean. The handle is comfortable to hold. Number 1. Ourokhome Stainless Steel Bench Cutter Scraper 2-Pack. This pastry scraper is crafted from high-quality 430 stainless steel, ensuring it's both rust-resistant and durable. Its sharp edge provides a clean cut every time, making it a reliable tool for your kitchen. This versatile tool is perfect for a variety of tasks. Whether you're dividing dough, slicing pizza, or chopping vegetables, it handles everything with ease. It's an indispensable addition to any baker's or cook's arsenal. The scraper features a laser-engraved measuring scale that won't wear off over time. This allows you to effortlessly divide your dough into equal portions, making your baking process more precise and enjoyable. It includes a convenient conversion chart for quick reference while baking. The patterned handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip, even with wet or oily hands. This design ensures ease of use in any kitchen environment. Cleaning is a breeze, as it's dishwasher safe. Alternatively, you can rinse it and wipe it with a soft cloth. A convenient hole in the handle allows for easy hanging, saving valuable kitchen space. What we like. This bench cutter scraper features a sharp blade for clean cuts and an anti-slip handle for a comfortable grip. It also includes a convenient measurement scale. If you are looking for a durable and easy-to-use tool with added convenience, you should consider this. What people say. The stainless steel blade is sturdy and sharp enough to easily cut through dough, divide portions, or even scrape up flour or crumbs from the counter. The laser-engraved measurements and conversion chart are super convenient. Nice sharp blade. Well balanced. Cut my fudge without crumbling, nice smooth edges. Love measurements printed on side for quick reference. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.